Hello, Michael. Yeah, I'll just continue the conversation. I'm just going to pop in this Witherspoons there. Yeah, I'm just going for a little walk. Yeah, so I've been speaking. I assume I've been speaking to Elon Musk. Obviously about the objects. I just posted a few pictures on X, and he's got interested, or the only problem is you get a few people with the similar name, if you know on his platform X. So yeah, so I presume I have been speaking to him. Obviously people can put themselves down as Elon Musk or whatever. He'll probably remove them anyway if they start sticking their own names down as Elon Musk. Yeah, it's I think it's Chiltern House or something. Was Jane Austen's house nearby in Alton. It's a lovely day. It's pretty cold. Yeah, so I mean, what I saw at Halton Heath, that's not going to go away. I mean, you've seen sort of like human figures above the tree line. Yeah, I sort of keep going on about it all the time. Yeah, so I mean, obviously I've seen a lot of objects in the sky. A lot of the objects could be military stuff or drones. Sorry. Yeah, so a lot of the things seen in the sky, obviously some might be military or high, or aircraft at high altitude. I even saw, when I was living on the Isle of Wight, I saw something holographic in the sky. So I've been talking about it. I've posted that on YouTube. So I saw something sort of holographic. So I don't know what government sent that across the Solent above the sky, and I've seen loads of objects above the Solent. Yeah, I've seen a lot of objects above the Solent. This is the old. There's a railway line up there. What's it? It's called the watercress line. That's it. Yeah, you got what they call the watercress railway line, and yeah, so I've had to go for a blood test today, so I haven't been too well. So obviously I got a bit worried in case it was like radiation or something, because obviously a few months ago I was near all those objects, and yeah, it's strange. I can hear some bells. It's a bit of a hilly little town, Alton. We'll get to the top of the bridge here, you should be able to see the hills. Well, anyway, hopefully you're alright, Michael, in Sweden. Oh, I've posted some of I was gonna blank now his name. You know, the guy who done the composer. Oh dear, what's his name? I posted his stuff on X. Yeah, so I posted I've forgotten his name, that's terrible. His about the Cathars, you know, the Patrick Link. It's come to me. Yeah, I'm losing my mind. It must be my old age, but I certainly have been. I have been losing my mind. I'm getting really forgetful. So Patrick Link. I think I've been stressed, very stressed in England, and not because I've seen these objects. You know, I love seeing these objects. Just it is the watercress line. Yeah, so this is the watercress line. So yeah, got the moon up. So this is the watercress line. In fact, there's some trains down there. About that, look. Cool. Some trains down there, or something like that. Let's see if you see those hills. Look at the hills up there. There's no trains coming. Hello. Hello. Let's have a look up here. It's a bit higher, so maybe farmland or something up here. So hello to my followers as well. I've come off TikTok, so you only find me on YouTube now. So if you want to see any UFOs or strange phenomena, you're only going to find me on YouTube now. And Rumble, that's it. Don't forget Rumble. So I'm on Rumble also. This might be a nice little walk up here. So it might be worth driving here one day. You can get at least 4 hours or 5 hours parking. This could just walk in the countryside. Mind it says it's a T, sort of a T junction, or a, you know, dead ends rather. So there must be some walks around here somewhere. You can see the hills in the distance. That's quite cool, seeing some carriages on the watercress line. I don't know if they're disused or what have you. So I'm going to zoom into the moon a little bit. I bet there's some walks around up here somewhere. I should buy an ordnance survey map with Alton. bird that flew by. There's some walks over there. The undiscovered. Yes, a few walks here. Excuse me, is there some walks in the area or something?
Yeah.
Where would you recommend?
Windmill Hill's really good.
What's it called?
Windmill Hill.
Windmill Hill. Can you get it from?
Yeah, I'm just learning that.
Oh, learning yourself. So, could you get it on that track there?
If you go down that track, onto the Ridgeway.
The Ridgeway, yeah.
And then I think if you go up one of the back streets, it'll take you up onto the.
Oh right, I'll look up. Yeah, that's great. Thanks for that.
If you stick it on have you got maps on?
Yeah, I'll have a look. Yeah, cool. Thanks for your help. Yeah, somewhere I could go another time. As they were close, those aircraft. I suddenly just looked up there. They were really close. I thought those two aircraft were going to hit each other then. Unfortunately, I just got them passing each other rather than in the dodgy bit. Yeah, so this is a good place to do a sky watch. I'm going to soon get hold of my friend Terry Brown. He's got a paranormal. So look at that, guys. It's just finding new walks really in different scenery. It's a bit of countryside over there. You've got countryside up there. Anyway, I'm going to head back and I'll say hello to my friend Michael, or Mikkel with a K, and yeah, this looks a cool place. I should really do. I put an ordnance survey map in the between sort of Camberley and I think it goes as far as Windsor or so almost. So I'll find some new locations to do some sky watching and paranormal. So it's a good thing. Get ordnance survey maps. You might find some old abbeys or just ancient old buildings or something that's got an old battle or a bit of history of strange things. You can see this is quite high, this hill. I should have come up here earlier, a few months ago, because obviously there could have been some crop circles out there. Yeah, so there's a couple of fields out there, so if you walk out, it looks like there's been some sort of activity I think it's just farming. Yeah, so I'm on X now, come off of TikTok, and I put a lot of me UFOs and strange phenomena, even these, putting walks. I did a lot of walks on when I was on the Isle of Wight, so you'll see a lot of my walks on YouTube and stuff like that. There's a few, yeah, so there's a few fields in the area. And I think there's certainly some places to explore. Alton's quite a hilly place. Certainly worth exploring at another date. Yeah, so I'm still going out taking pictures of strange objects. Yeah, you just got to work out what they are. Obviously, I posted today this like something looking holographic. I photographed over the Solent. That's probably a couple of years ago. I couldn't believe it. I thought I was looking at an aircraft flying towards me from Eastleigh Airport, you know, Southampton Airport. I had my, I think I had my Lumix camera on me, possibly Lumix. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was a Lumix. And the thing looked holographic. I don't know. It sort of looked like a sort of like a TV on there, you know. I posted it anyway, so it's really weird. So, and I must have used my Lumix or one of my Nikon cameras. I can't remember. I'll have to check it, but it was really odd. So, I mean, really odd. So it was something. It was like a hologram or something. It was, and as far as I was concerned, it was just an aircraft, you know. An Airbus or whatever you call them, you know, like you know the ones that fly from Eastleigh, Gatwick or Bournemouth Airport. But this thing sort of looked holographic. So all the images you see, you know, I might crop them and make them a bit bigger, but I never alter. I will never alter. Yeah, I would never alter any of my pictures. So the only thing I'll do is crop the pictures, just bring them a bit nearer. You know, there's a little old church there. And the shops are, there's a lot of charity shops in Alton. So you got your main shops. Yeah, so you got your main shops in Alton. There's quite a few charity shops. So it's a nice little town. Everyone's friendly. And then you got, of course, you got the Witherspoon here. That's where I'm going in now, anyway. So so everyone, my followers, take care. Thanks for viewing this. And I may do something tomorrow. So anyway. Hello to my friends Annabelle, Jodie, the ufologist in America, Bradley. There's so many. We got Terry Lynch. I've got to remember all your names. Yeah. So, and hello Hampshire UFO Group C5 Dorset. And anyway, hope you enjoy this little video I've done. Anyway, take care. Bye.